Okay, I'm going to go ahead and put some paint on these areas that I did some caulking. I know this paint is too dark that I'm putting on, but that's okay. You know, just give it a coating of paint before I put that other stuff on. Where's my floor mat when I need it? And that paint is already getting a skin layer on top of it. I know that's not the right color, but that at least will kind of let the caulking kind of adhere better. Having that paint on there, I think, before I use that other stucco patch. And if that was even remotely close, I could take that paint and paint right over it, couldn't I? But it's not. And that column is just too high to figure to go ahead and paint the whole thing. Plus I need an extension ladder and all that. So I'm hoping this other stucco patch material is going to be the right color. We can only hope, that's all. You know, I'm hoping to be able to blend it in. See that? There's the, where's the patch I just did? There's a patch I just did down there, down at the bottom. See, you can see how it's just darker, see? No ifs, ands, or buts. Okay. Well, it looks like there's one more last little bit there. That's not even close. Let's see that skin is just building up. Just having it out in the air that long. Okay, I think I'm done with the painting. I was just touching up today. That's it. For that, I'm going to put that away, and I'm going to get that stucco patch material out. I think I'm going to try it on the oh, I don't know. We can try it on the dark spots first. we'll get the dark one out first, and I'll do it along over there and in a couple other spots. Remember? Here's some more spots right in here. I'm hoping to blend in better, and that column, I can see a couple little spots on the side that I did the other day, and those aren't blending in either, are they? See that one right there? You can see it. There's another one right down there. And then I'm going to have to hit that column, and see, some of that stuff's going to spill on these steps. I could mask these off with some paper, get my craft paper out and all that kind of stuff, but you know, I don't think I might bring the cardboard down here and kind of protect it a little bit for that. But anything that gets on there, I think I can just wipe it off with the damp sponge, and I got some water here in a bucket, and I think I can wipe them off those stairs. And these stairs, I still have to touch them. I still have to touch them up. See, I got some paint there, up there in the corner, in a couple different other areas as well. And I think overall these steps came out looking really nice. I knew there was no way I was going to get these perfectly smooth, but I got them pretty good. And there's a few imperfections on the stairs, but it mimics the wood, I guess, and they're all about the same, and so I'm not going to really be too concerned with those. But I think they turned out really nice. But after I get done with everything else, the last thing I'm going to do is get that paint out for these steps and touch up these stairs. That'll be one of the last things on my project. I'm not going to do that on this video. I'm going to wait until all of the flooring gets put down, because I'm going to have to go up and down these steps still to get the material, this black perforated stuff that I have to put down on there, and some other stuff. So, you know, until then, that's just what these stairs are going to look like, and I'll do a once over when I'm done with the project. Okay, let's get into the stucco patch material. See how well that's going to blend in. I'm kind of curious if that's going to blend in. We'll soon find out. Okay, try it. Time to get into this stuff. Dryrotdeck. I don't know where you get this. I don't know if you have to go to a regular paint store, if you can get this at a hardware store. My guess is maybe at a paint store. And it's got, like I said, it's got sand in it, and then it's got the paint color. So I'm hoping it's going to blend with this, and I'm hoping whoever installed this stucco from original, I guess I'm hoping that they use this Dryrotdeck, or if they use something similar, and if they had the exact same color, they might have just went and got this sand, this Dryrotdeck material, and mixed up the exact same color, and was going to use it for touch-up. Because I see on the other one it says save for touch-up, and this is the same, except it's just slightly darker, and I think I use the same stuff, by the way, for the stucco patch that I put on the wall initially. Can you see where that stucco patch is? I don't think you can. It's right here. Right there is where I had that nasty notch of a cutout that they tried to pass before, and it came out, and I put an underlayment under there with the Durham's rock hard water putty. Yeah, I built that all up first, made it just about a 1/16 to an 1/8 of an inch inset, and then patched over that. I don't think I could have used the same stuff and patched that whole thing, because it would have just kept falling out of that hole. And this stuff is like soupy, but it's just real sandy. The whole thing. It's nice and sandy. And I'm hoping we can use that. Hoping it'll just stick on there. We'll see.